Hello, welcome back. Another day here, or another night actually. This is the Canton RV Park. We are in Canton, Texas, just outside of Dallas, right off of I-20. So if you're traveling through the Dallas-Fort Worth area, here's a great little hideaway, around $36 to $40 a night for a nice pull-through campsite with full hookups. Here's their little office. You can call ahead. They will let you check in late. And so there's a pool back there. We got in about 8 p.m. last night, of course. It was a little bit late. We've been traveling all day. Pretty little area. Didn't really hear any traffic last night. Maybe I was tired after being on the road for 12 hours. But as you can see, they have spacious area, gravel, parking pads, some longer term residents here, weekly, monthly, I believe. They do have 4G. We were able to get, my internet was a little slow, so I wasn't able to do some of the things I wanted to. I was having some technical issues, but I believe it's 4G. And I have Verizon. We use another type of hotspot as well, server. I need to start putting all that in my notes so you can see what my husband is doing with the technology to get us. We used to have a dish, and now we carry an extra phone just for the internet services. So here's the pool. You can see grass. Looks like a playground over there. Some grassy areas. And I think pets are welcome. So again, a great little overnight spot, or if you want to stay for a few days, if you're going to be in the Dallas area, not far from here, about 20 minutes or so, is a big shopping area. There's a Buc-ee's, of course everybody knows Buc-ee's, and a shopping mall with your typical Hobby Lobby and stores for getting your supplies. And I think there was a Camp RV store nearby as well, if I'm not mistaken. So again, this is Canton RV Resort here in Canton, Texas, just outside of Dallas-Fort Worth. So whether you're going east or coming west, be sure and say hi if you see us on the road, and safe travels. Be sure to take care of yourself so you can help take care of others. Have a blessed day.